Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your Notion cover image with an aesthetic GIF. So let's get started. Open your Notion page. Navigate to the Notion page where you want to change the cover image. Add or change a cover image. Click on Add Cover at the top of the page, then select Change Cover. Copy the image URL. Locate the image you want to use as a cover image and copy its URL. If the image is already in your Notion workspace, you can find its URL in the list of cover images. Paste the copied image URL into the designated field. This will update the cover image with the selected image or GIF. If needed, you can adjust the position of the cover image by clicking on the Reposition button and adjusting the placement as desired. Once you're satisfied with the cover image, save your changes. Now, every time you open your workspace, you'll be greeted by the visually stunning cover image that you've chosen. That's it for this video.
If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!